Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English unit number 10, page number 178 and 179. Topic is metaphors and similes. Students, now let us start. Similes definition. It is a figure of speech in which like or as is used to make comparison between two ideas that are basically dissimilar. For example, I am like a wild bird. Next, metaphors definition. If we write a comparison between two things and omit the word like or as, then we are using a metaphor. For example, I am a wild bird. Now let us start explanation. For example, I am a wild bird. This is an example of metaphor. These words spoken by Marine North are a metaphor. A human being cannot be a bird literally, so her words are a metaphor. Next example, I am like a wild bird. This is an example of simile. These words are not a metaphor because she is not saying she is a wild bird, but that she is like a wild bird. So this is a simile. She could have introduced the simile with as I am as wild as a bird. In both the metaphor and the simile, there is a point of similarity. Here the similarity is the need for liberty felt by the human, woman, speaker and the bird. Next, page number 179. Topic is masculine, feminine and neuter. Arrange the words from the text into the appropriate columns. First column masculine, second column feminine, third column neuter. First column masculine, father, husband, he. Next, second column feminine, woman, aunts, widowed. Next, third column neuter, traveler, singer, artist. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.